In this uncertain world, kids everywhere are getting sick and infected with many germs and diseases. But with the help of four superheroes, they swore to help the kids defend themselves against these evil forces that surround them in their everyday lives. Meet the GERMAVENGERS!
So where are they? Oh, there they are.
Hey guys! I'm here today with the disinfectant and hands washer while sanitizers at the restaurant working. We are now off duty doing our usual hobbies. Look at my plants! Don't you love them? Oh, let's call sanitizer. Sanitizer?
Hi Eugene! I'm working right now in my mom's restaurant. It's quite busy right now, so I gotta do some cleaning. By the way, how's Dennis Spectin doing?
Dennis Spectin here. As you can see, I am setting up my Nintendo Switch because today I will be live streaming playing Minecraft. Be right back. Hans Washer is somewhere downstairs if you're looking for him.
Oops, I didn't see you there. Hey kids, I'm Hans Washer. And boy, this food is really good. I like this food. Anyways, I'll see you later.
As they were doing their hobbies, they noticed something strange.
Soil, soil, soil. Though it has good purposes for plants since it holds their water and their needed nutrients, there's still so many harmful tiny germs living in it. The moment we touch it, it stays in our hands. And once we start touching other things, we are spreading these germs. After we garden, let us remember to keep ourselves clean to prevent this from happening.
The kitchen is a critical place because we cook our foods here. We do not want any germs to get into our delicious meals while we prepare it. By spraying on sanitizer on kitchen surfaces, we remove or kill bacteria, even those that hide behind dirt and grease. This is the reason why it is important to sanitize the surfaces and always keep our surroundings clean.
Did you know gamepad controllers have almost 5 times more bacteria than the average toilet seat? Imagine holding that many bacteria on your hands. Yikes! These germs can be all over your house right at this moment. These germs can even make you sick, and we don't want that, right? So it is important to disinfect your things.
Our hands carry many germs, especially after touching many objects in the environment. They carry bacteria and other microorganisms which eventually would enter our body through our mouth, especially when we eat with unwashed hands. By frequently washing our hands, we remove the harmful germs that our hands carry so that they won't enter and infect our body. So remember, always wash your hands.
GERMAVENGERS, it is now time to assemble.
And that's my cue. I hope you all keep in mind the importance of being clean. We hope that you become part of our team. That's all for today. God bless!